Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho Books to track policy billing and receipts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Zoho Books and log in to your account. From the dashboard, navigate to the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Click on Preferences from the settings menu. In the Preferences section, select Invoices to configure your billing options. Enable the option to show invoice number for tracking purposes. Next, navigate back to Preferences and select Payments. Here, you will want to link your payment gateways, if you haven't already. This allows you to receive payments directly through Zoho Books. Once your payment methods are set up, go to the Items section. Create an item specifically for your policy billing. Input a name that clearly identifies the policy type. Set the appropriate pricing and tax settings for the item. Now, click on the Customers section in the left menu. Add new customers or edit existing ones who will be billed for the policies. Ensure all customer information is accurate to avoid billing issues. Return to the main dashboard and go to the Sales module. Click on Invoices and then select Create Invoice. From the drop-down menu, choose the customer who will receive the policy billing. Select the item you created for the policy and enter the billing amount. Add any additional details, such as due dates or payment terms. Once completed, save the invoice. You can then send the invoice directly to your customer via email. To track receipts, navigate to the Banking section in the left menu. Connect your bank account to automatically import transactions. Every payment received will now be tracked in real time. To record manual receipts, go to the Payments Received option. Select the customer and enter the receipt details. Once completed, save the record to ensure accurate tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.